When the University of the Philippines Planning and Development Research Foundation asked the DOST to be its partner in the 2013 International Conference on Smarter Cities, I saw it as a great opportunity to push forward the DOST program called Smarter Philippines. The outcome of this conference and the forging of the 2013 Manila Declaration for Smarter Cities will be a step forward towards realizing DOST vision of a Smarter Philippines. Let me tell you more about this vision. Through science and technology, we aim to have every Filipino feel the fruits of the economic advances we enjoy today. We wish for no one to be left behind. This is what inclusive growth is all about, and this is the very essence of Smarter Philippines. Consider science and technology as the great enabler of productivity. Through its many branches like information and communication technologies, we are now able to deliver the latest technological breakthroughs to our people, even in far-flung areas. Distance is no longer an issue for inclusion in our trek towards lasting growth and development. Science and technology offers better ways of doing things while making life easier for all. Ladies and gentlemen, our global environment is rapidly changing. Transformational tools such as smart technologies are the keys to new and exciting opportunities for all Filipinos. Opportunities that not only improves their livelihood, but more importantly, their quality of lives. In Filipino, we can proudly say, sa pamamagitan ng agham at teknolohiya, wala mapag-iiwanan sa ating mamamayan. There's no other way but expressway towards Smarter Philippines. Now, even more than ever, science and technology plays a central role as we face eminent integration with ASEAN come 2015. In order to maintain our level of competitiveness, we need to stay in the cutting edge of technology, especially in ICT. Our technological survey will also contribute to make ASEAN Common Market a successful endeavor, so it's a win-win situation for all. The Smarter Philippine program is a fully integrated plan, professionally managed by the best and brightest technocrats and scientists of the DOST. Within the grand plan are several components, and they include a smarter government, a smarter people, a smarter economy, smarter mobility, smarter environment, smarter living, and smarter cities. With all these components working in harmony, we expect a highly competitive Philippines to emerge, one where everyone, regardless of economic class or location, enjoys equal opportunities, one where all enjoy a superior quality of life akin to the great industrialization countries of Europe. Let me talk briefly about the 6 components of our program. Let's start with smarter government. Smarter government will be a game changer in the art of governance. It replaces the old slow way of cooperating and interfacing among its many branches with a paperless method of connectivity using ICT. The good thing about this is that this system lends itself to full transparency. Government dealings will be made fully transparent and accessible to the public via the World Wide Web. In addition, a subcategory of smarter government is a program we call iGov-Philippines. iGov-Philippines is a secure electronic platform that allows people to access government services through the net. In other words, no more lining up at the SSS or NBI offices to transact your business. They can all be done electronically. The second component is what we call smarter people. The objective of this program is to breed more technical minds among the youth, more scientists, more engineers, and more technicians. We do this through a scholarship program, the prestigious Philippine Science High School, and the Science Education Institute for tertiary and graduate levels. In 2 years' time, the Smarter Philippine program will have at least one deserving scholar from every municipality across our archipelago. In a decade's time, we hope to breed a new generation of scientists that can match the technical proficiencies of the Germans. The third component is smarter economy. Smart economy has two programs in its agenda. One is to assist micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSME, and another one for the larger industries. For MSME, we assist our fledgling entrepreneurs at every stage of their business cycle using technology, from organization and setup to R&D, to business development, to growth and expansion. For large-scale industry, our trust is industry-specific. For the electronics and semiconductor industry, we recently established a world-class facility called Advanced Device and Material Testing Laboratory, or ADMATEL. ADMATEL that functions as testing laboratory for our electronics makers, where with this new facility, electronics and semiconductor makers no longer have to send their electronic devices to Japan or Singapore for testing. They can do it right here at a lower cost. What is even better is that through ADMATEL, we now have the capability, we are now supporting for design our own electronic devices. Combine this with the capabilities of Maki Bayan, or Makinarya para sa Bayan, a program that provides locally designed and fabricated machine through Metal Industry Research and Development Center. An honest-to-goodness Philippine-made electronic devices now in the foreseeable future. As for the BPO industry, the Smart Economy program is now preparing the next wave of cities that will ensure the continuous growth of the BPO sector towards global preeminence. As you will very well know, the Philippines is already #1 in the world in voice-based BPO. We hope to be #1 in healthcare information management, finance, human resources, and creative process outsourcing as well. We are also creating the next wave of cities, which would include Bacolod, Iloilo, Cagayan de Oro, and Baguio, among others, by providing them with ICT backbone of their own. This is part of another sub-program called Smarter Countryside. The next component addresses the worsening traffic situation in Metro Manila and other key cities. AGT, or the Automated Guideway Transit System, is a program that calls for the development of our own mass transit trains. You'll be pleased to know that we have designed and manufactured the train using Philippine technology. The prototypes are in their final stages of testing in Taguig and UP campus in Diliman. These trains are capable of ferrying 50 to 100 people per coach at 80 kilometers per hour. Soon they will ply our highways and byways, providing cheaper, reliable, efficient transport for our people. For a smart environment, the UST established Project NOAA, an acronym for Nationwide Operational Assessment of Hazards. Through the use of sensors technology, we are now able to tell with great accuracy where and when train will fall, where floods will flow, where landslide may occur, and where storm surges will occur, including its heights. Project NOAA is the UST response to President Aquino's call to create a system that will help prevent or mitigate the devastating effects of natural disaster. Smarter living is another component that responds to the needs of our countrymen, health and quality of life. Among the projects in the pipeline are its dengue diagnostic kit, a dengue early warning system, organic drugs made from our wealth of flora and biodiversity, as well as the RX box, a tool used by our health professional under the e-health program, especially in service to our brothers in the countryside. As far as agriculture is concerned, we are developing cutting-edge technologies that touch upon the realm of genetics to increase the output of the farming sector. When fully realized, we can expect production increase of anywhere from 5 to 50% for rice, coconut, mango, abaca, swine, goat, shrimps, seaweeds, mud crabs, sardines, and of course, tilapia and bangus. Mind you, using this technology will not put upward pressure in prices. In fact, they may even decrease. Finally, talk about smarter cities. When can one consider a city smart? It is smart if it is seamlessly connected electronically. It is smart if it constantly assesses itself and how it performs in terms of governance, the economy, the environment, mobility, human resources, and quality of life. It is smart if it is a mechanism to make things better, more efficient. A European study has opined that smarter cities must have certain components. They are a smarter government, a smarter people, a smarter economy, smarter mobility, smarter environment, and smarter living. These are the very same areas we adopted in the Smarter Philippines. Thus, if a city integrates all of these components, then it can truly be called a smarter cities. But of course, as we aim for inclusive growth, so smarter cities should develop alongside with smarter countryside. Together, they make a smarter nation. Kung mangyayari po ang pangarap ng DOST sa lahat ng lugar sa Pilipinas, syudad man o kanayunan, mararating po natin ang tinatawag na inclusive and sustainable growth at poverty alleviation. Lahat po tayo ay aangat at ang ating bansa ay uunlad. Tayo po ay mapupunta sa unahan at maaari pang tayo ay maging leader patungo sa pag-unlad ng ating rehiyon ASEAN. Most indicators show that the Philippines is advancing in many facets. Let us all them embrace science and technology, at it is the way by means we can realize a smarter Philippines. Maraming salamat po.